Latest robots. As you have already studied various applications of humanoid robots in personal assistance, caregiving, education, and entertainment. Now, let us learn about some of the latest inventions in this field. THR3. Like real-world human avatar, THR3 is a humanoid that mimics the movement of its human operator. In future, these humanoids can perform surgeries while their human operator doctor could control them from another part of the world. Sophia. Sophia is the first humanoid to receive citizenship of a country. Perhaps the most recognizable face of humanoid, who was developed by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics and was activated on 14 February 2016. Digit. Ford became the first owner to deploy Digit humanoid into a factory setting. Ford now envisions that Digit will ride in driverless car and deliver packages to customers, automating the whole delivery process. Robo-Thespian. Robo-Thespian is an actor that comes with a library of impressions, greetings, songs, and gestures. Several of these can be added together to become a robotic theater. Now, the biggest bank of Japan, Tokyo Mitsubishi UFJ, has employed now to help people answer their questions on how to open bank account, etc. It speaks and understands Japanese, English, and Chinese. Z Machines. Developed in Japan, Z Machines are music band. It has a guitarist with 78 fingers and a drummer with 22 arms. Molly Robotic Kitchen. If you are not a fan of cooking, this is the right robot to own. This robot is claimed to have skills of master chef. It would learn new recipes, cook for you, and clean up afterwards. Paro. Paro is a talking robot that is used for therapy. Its appearance is similar to a baby harp seal. It is a furry device that helps lower the stress level and improve communication between caregivers and patients. It is very effective when it comes motivating and assisting patients to relax. Root. Root is a robot with the objective of helping you learn coding. It can be operated from a whiteboard using dry erase markers. It can move along the path you draw on the whiteboard or a flat surface with the help of a magnet. Zenbo. Zenbo is a low-cost robot capable of rolling around freely. It can understand verbal commands. It is made to help people remember daily tasks, such as exercise and medication schedules, as well as doctor's appointments. It monitors surroundings continuously to identify any emergencies. Dash and Dot. Dash and Dot are a pair of robot friends. Dash is bigger one with wheels and Dot is smaller one. Dash is full of character and drives around making noises and shining lights.